In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your crosshair's appearance on a TradingView chart. This customization can vastly enhance your charting experience, so follow along to ensure you're getting the most out of this feature. First, let's focus on changing the crosshair's appearance. Begin by opening your TradingView chart if it isn't open already. Once you're viewing the chart, you'll want to right-click anywhere on it. A context menu will appear, and from this menu, you'll need to select Settings. By doing this, a settings window will pop up, which is where you'll be able to make your customizations. Within the settings window, your next step is to navigate to the Chart Basic Styles section. This is where you'll find the options related to your crosshair's appearance. Take your time here to adjust the color to something that stands out to you and fits well with your chart's theme. You might choose brighter colors for better visibility or muted shades for a subtler look. Also pay attention to opacity. This setting determines how transparent or solid the crosshair line will be against the chart's background. Beyond color and opacity, you can also tweak the thickness. Whether you prefer a slim, barely there line or a bold, prominent one, you have the flexibility to adjust accordingly. The style of the crosshair can also be changed. Experiment with different styles until you find one that feels just right as you work through your data visualizations. Once you're satisfied with all these adjustments, make sure to close the settings window to ensure your changes are applied and take effect immediately on the chart. Now, let's talk about changing the cursor type if you want something other than the default crosshair. To begin, find the Drawings toolbar. This is typically located on the left side of your chart, so it should be fairly easy to spot. Within this toolbar, look for the Crosshair tool. Clicking on this will open the Cursors menu, providing you with several options to choose from. First up is the Cross, which is the default crosshair you commonly use in TradingView. If you want something slightly different, you might opt for the Dot. This cursor is similar to the cross, but appears as a dot, offering a sleeker look that some find less distracting. Alternatively, many are familiar with and prefer using the arrow for its classic pointer appearance. Lastly, there's the Magic cursor, which is a specialized type that can offer unique enhancements depending on your specific workflow needs. To switch to your preferred cursor, simply select one from the menu, and then click back onto the chart. This will activate your chosen cursor type, setting you up for smooth navigating as you interact with your TradingView charts. And that's it. You're now set with a customized crosshair and cursor type that perfectly suit your charting preferences.